I made an old man. I said, tell me your story.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be cleaning my kitchen with me. This is going to be my regular cleanup routine from my kitchen. On another video I'll be showing you how I deep clean and organize my kitchen. But also in this video I would do some little deep cleaning also. So I hope you enjoy and enjoy the music as well.
And I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen.
As usual, I start off by clearing my countertops. It helps me wipe down every corner easily. I'm using Method's Daily Granite Cleaner to wipe down the granite. If you're interested in my cleaning products, the last video I put up have a little unboxing of my Grove collaborative cleaning products. I do love using Grove for my cleaning items. If you're interested, I would refer back to the last video that have every link. I would also have the link under this video if you're interested in the subscribe.
Searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on.
So when it comes to my stovetop, my secret weapon is baking soda. I use this thing on a lot of things around my kitchen. So I put the powder all over my stovetop, and then I clean it with some kind of citrus. Usually I use lemon, but this time I had an orange that was about to go bad, so I figured I'll put it to use and just wiped my stovetop with the citrus and the baking soda, and it leaves it clean. I'm telling you, try it out. Let me know how it works for you in the comments below, and also gives it that citrusy smell. So I love using some orange or lemon with my baking soda.
Whether you like it or not, stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.
Taking just be. Don't take.
The next step will be to unload the dishwasher and maybe reload it if I had some dishes, but this time I didn't have that much to wash. I had a coffee maker that I needed to wash, but I hand washed it. That's it. So we take everything out of the dishwasher. I just runned it the night before, so everything is washed and completely dry. If there's some water on it, I make sure I dry it before I put it in the drawers and the cabinets.
Trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. foundation. Make a name for generations, please the maker. Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in.
So I was not lying when I say I use baking soda all around my kitchen. And my sink, it does an amazing job. I put baking soda again with some citrus to clean my sink after I wash dishes. This is something I do regularly, and it makes the stainless steel in the sink shiny and looking brand new, like I have never used my sink before. If you haven't tried this trick, I think you should. This is like life changer. As you can see, it's very shiny again. Sometimes when you make coffee in the house and that's where you pour it out, that can also stain the stainless steel, and this does the trick.
And live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free.
And this is my electric teapot, and a little trick I use to clean it is to put water and a drop of bleach, and that gets rid of any stain that was created because of the teas that I boil in there. You would see how clean it turns out to be.
And live my life off screen, taking time out to be. And live my life.
Now I sweep around the kitchen before I mop, and I know you noticed that stain on my wall on the left side. We had a shelf sitting there that like scratched the walls and left that mark, so I need to do some repainting. That would be another project I should be working on soon. And also to clean all my stainless steel appliances, once I wipe them down, I use a stainless steel polish to keep them shiny.
Won't be breaking easily now. I could make it even though the lights are out. So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way, other way. Try to pin me down, you don't have a clue. Wouldn't understand if I showed you every bit of me in the palm of your hand. The thought of me is bigger than you know. Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking easily now. I could make it even though the lights are out. So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way, other way.
After cleaning for several hours, I was starting to feel hungry, so I made a little lunch and took a break to enjoy my lunch. This was my lunch, it was delicious. And then once I was done, I went back to cleaning, boiling some clean water in the teapot now to get every bleach and everything I used out of it. And this is the final product. Look at that kitchen. I like it open and with no items in the countertop. With kids, it's really hard not to have items on top. I have his air fryer, whatever item that I'm using to cook for him with usually would be out on the countertops, but right now it's clean. and it's very simple. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was motivational. If you do, please give me a thumbs up in this video and make sure you subscribe. And see you on my next one.